I've just always done what felt right to me. Accountability is key.
That's true.
And so, yeah, that's what we'll be doing today. My brand, I really want to help people overcome their fears. I've always kind of had it in the back of my mind, but I want to live my life as the example. Like, and not saying like I'm a hot shit, but I feel like the things that I do, I feel like I'm I heard like this lady I listen to. I'm a category creator, meaning like the things that I do aren't normal. Like I was one of the few people who joined the Air Force. I'm one of the few people who got into network marketing. At least from like my people. I mean, there's thousands and thousands of people who do it, but like from my people. So it's like I'm one of the few people who are willing to go all in and let go of their safe job. I had 9.5 years to go. Why didn't I finish? Because I want to. For me, my goal is not to retire. My goal is to live my life. This is the starting point.